Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. So today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to view the archive list mail on Yahoo. To get started, let's open your Yahoo account. As shown here, I have already logged into my account. So, in order to view your archive mail, now tap on the archive icon that is located on top. If you click on it, you can see a list of mail. These mails are not listed in your inbox. So, in order to list your mail in the inbox, you can move it directly to your inbox. So for that, let's click on the move icon. And now here, click on all mail. So, here you go. You have successfully moved all archive mail to your inbox. Now, if you go to your all mail, then you can see all the mails that were listed in the archive before. So, this is how you can view the list of archive mail on Yahoo. So that's it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.